airflow on your top mount, your air return for your freezers, a set of louvers across the back panel. The air discharge is up here at the top, so you're simply pulling return air in here, up through your evaporator, and discharging it out the top. When we drop our evaporator cover down, the way we're getting our airflow into our food compartment, our same fan is blowing the air down the chimney, and you have an air opening right here that lets the air go down into the food compartment control. You have an air return back here in the drain trough that lets the warm air from the food compartment be drawn back up into the freezer. This also serves as the defrost water drain outlet. So you've got a very large opening in here that your defrost water can run down through into the trough located into the back of your control housing, and then it runs into a tube that goes down underneath the refrigerator. Your air enters your food compartment through your diverter right here. Your air return is two openings in the back part of the drain trough. So you've got an opening on this side, and you also have an opening on this side where you pull the warm air from the food compartment back up through that slot that's in your drain trough and then on back up to your evaporator coil. You also have one opening right here at the very bottom that connects into the drain tube that's buried in the cabinet and runs down the back and lets the defrost water go on down into the drain pan mounted in front of the compressor.